Jesus, man. Let's begin. Gold. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So we're first going to start with this trade idea here and why it panned out, not why it panned out, actually why we decided to buy from here. And another area right here, man. And we took a loss here. Simple stuff. Want to make this a very, very short video, almost like a reel, but it's not a reel. So first trade idea. I'm not really sure why these charts keep changing, man. Like all the time. Why? So anyway, I marked up this area, and even though it's marked up like this, my entry's like that, I'm not really sure why. It has to be something with regards to forex.com chart feed. So I had a daily level marked up here. This is the first daily support where we get a sell and then a buy, right? And then after that, price traded higher to break the structure here. So when it comes back, we expect the same reaction, right? So around this area right here, right, we had a sell candle and then another sell candle, creating an area of resistance. This was my target. Fine. Simple. Open close, right? Then, like I said, I still don't know why this thing is like this. Then my entry obviously has to be 30 pips of where I'm looking to see price reject from, right? So it was around here, and then 30 pips stop loss, 30 or more, something like that, 30 or more. Then entry like that, and then you just let it shoot towards your take profit, bro. That's the easiest way for me to answer. Or you can just simply wait for another lower time frame area to create a new area of support, right? 1 hour around that area, right? 1 hour. Then what do you get? Sell and then buy. Then you can mark it up like that for extra confirmation. Then you enter here. That's a pip stop loss. That's a pip stop loss, just like that. Then your target is that open close right there, 230 pips. Target hit. And then same thing as this trade right here. I think it happened from the 4 hour. So after price rejected from here, right? It pushed higher. And actually I did see another buy area before we get to this one. Another buy area was that we rejected this 1 hour low, right? And then we created a sell and then buy. This is another way to get continuation trades. Then around here, you can take your continuation trade with the 30 pip stop loss, bro. Just like that. Continuation trade with the 30 pip stop loss. As much as you want to win, also allow your trade to have some room, right? So 30 pip stop loss, then a push high, just like that. Then around here, what actually happened here? As you can see the momentum on gold, right? We easily got support from this area, right? We easily got support and the momentum started kicking in. So right here, we created a new area of support, right? Created a new area of support, and then price, most cases, has to respect this area and give us a bullish move. But another thing was that we were not yet close to our target. What's so important about our target that would make us want to buy from here? Let's go back to the daily. So on the daily, our target is our area of resistance, right? Price traded up until here, right? Price traded up until this area, and then we haven't yet touched this area of resistance here. What does that mean? It means that price has not yet started rejecting, right? Until we tap this daily area of resistance, then we're still going to look for possible buys, right? just mark up that level, 30 pip stop loss, and then you take your trade. So if you go to the M30, you will clearly see what actually happened here. Price just got in here and then shot higher, right? So with regards to the sell, I was mainly just taking it based on the daily time frame, right? So let's say after this loss, would have just marked it up like that, and then assume that okay, fine, price reacted from that daily level, right? And then the first thing that you can do, you can wait for a lower time frame breakout, right? Let's say 1 hour right here. Let's say you got your breakout right here, right? And then hence we already reacted from an open close here with this move. So this area of resistance has to hold. So we had a buy and then a sell right here. So just gonna mark it up like that. And then possible re-entry would have been there, but I wasn't I wasn't on the chart when price did that. So could have taken a second entry here, and then possible sell. But I'm observing this area here as well. Possible sell. Let me just mark it up like that. Fine. And then another re-entry, possibly if you had seen it, it's a buy and then buy, right? This area right here was an area of resistance. I mean, it was an area of support, just like this one right here. It was an area of support, but just let me remove everything here. I want to show you something real quick. This area right here, right? Let me mark it with the red. Come on, man. This area right here was an area of support, right? This was an area of support. Let's start here for a second. We had a buy and then a buy candle. This is an area of support, right? So we expect price to react from that area, just like here, right? If let's say we had a bullish bias, we would have expected price to react here and then continue high, right? Then what did price do? Price broke that area of support. And then what does it become? It becomes SBR, bro, right? Support becomes resistance, right? Support becomes resistance. We broke below that area of support. And then when we come back to it, we have to use it as an area of resistance. Does it mean that it will always happen here? No. Price could have easily just decided to react from this high, right? But in most cases, my advice is for you to just go with the first area that you're going to encounter first, right? Could have had your stops above there just in case price decided to push a bit high. So possible targets for me would have been here if I was in a trade, obviously. So just like with this one right here, right? Sell and then sell. We broke below this area of resistance. What do we expect? A possible bullish move, but keep in mind, we are coming from a daily area of resistance. So it's going to be a lot more easy for price to just keep shooting higher, right? So we'll just see. Anyway, talk to you soon. Peace.